This is a forklift and a tractor, back-driven tractor. Here you are seeing the forklift and the steering that is attached to the back of the tractor. The forklift is made with Godrej, a very thick forklift mast, and it is completely back driven. You can drive from the back, and it rolls on the back side. Very strength for any. You can see the steering on the back. And it will rise and lower. The clutch and the brake is transferred also. The seat is on the back, and driving is very easy so that you can look at the back what is happening. Not like a normal tractor, we can completely convert the tractor to be driven from the back. Now you are seeing the full tractor. This is the weight, counterweight we give you, so that the tractor won't lift if you add weight on the fork. We take the support totally from the entire body, and then the seat is also adjustable. You can make height and lower the height and increase. The steering you see, and the brake, you can see the brake and the accelerator, clutch, everything is changed to the back. Even the steering, here is the mast view of the tractor forklift. Very strong, very steady. You can even use it on a very rugged environment. So there is no need to worry about the quality of the tractor. The forks is very ruggedly made, very strong. Here you are seeing a live demo of the piece that we have made. We even have a stock we can give you. We take the new tractor, convert them into back, and then we put the mast and we sell it as a fork, back-driven tractor forklift with the Sonalika 750 or 42 HP, 47 HP. Very, very strong, very steady vehicle. We have an entire package, new tractor, forklift, converted, everything ready. We can even ship anywhere in the world. And this Indian tractors are very good. Now he's lowering the forklift. It is all hydraulically done from the driver back, so that the driving can be very easy and fun. You'll be driving this as if you are driving a forklift. You don't need any other support, and these forklifts can be used for very, very rugged environments. Not like the normal forklift that you have to have a very sensitive environment or a very good road. You can even use it on a very rough terrain roads to travel, lift and lower the products. And it's very, very strongly made forklift. So you have to be very sensitive. Use the normal forklift. When you use this, you don't have to be so sensitive. Here, me coming to the forklift just to show that we are serious, and we are a real company who could export you directly. Here I'm asking the driver, how he feels about operating the lever. Is he feeling comfortable? This we are doing it before delivering to the customer, so that make sure that he is not doing anything that is going to be very dangerous for the users. So I'm training him how to use it, and how is he placing the leg onto the tractor. Now he is telling me he feels absolutely safe and comfortable sitting on the seat. I'm sitting in the tractor right now. I'm driving the tractor, and the tractor is being driven on the backstage. It feels so beautiful, and it is all done inside this tractor. It is totally reverse driven. You don't have to do anything. just switch on and you can drive the tractor as if you were driving the forklift from the backside. I'm going straight, and the fork is being lifted. It is been going up. I'm just pulling the lever. Everything is inbuilt into this tractor. Actually, we took an old tractor and converted into a back-driven tractor, and then made the forklift into the incorporated the forklift into the tractor. Now I'm pushing it down front and back so that the fork is being used. I'm driving the tractor right now. I'm just going straight as if I'm driving a normal forklift. I'm driving this tractor right now. You could see everything live, and what you see on the front of the tractor is the counterweight that we have added. So we have made the full chassis to go around the tractor so that it could lift like 210 of material on this tractor and travel anywhere. You could travel small distances without any problem at the kilometer speed of like 5 kilometers an hour, very slow. So you have to be doing very cautiously, and it is a very practical machine that we have built out of the tractor. Tractor is a very nice machine that we can build so many products with it, because it has a high torque engine, so that we can do many hardcore engineering products with a base as a tractor, because it has a big wheel, a big torque, and we can use hydraulics, and it is heavy and cheap. The spares are very, very cheap in India, very inexpensive, very comfortably priced, because it is an agri product. So this is the best way to roll and keep the moving on everything that we do. Yeah, now I'm moving forward, and once you turn right, it will turn right, and once you turn left, it will turn left. Okay, thank you, and hope to see you soon. You contact the number which is on the